Hey guys, it's me again from Zero Gravity Productions. I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of really easy lighter tricks to do. Okay, first of all, it's called the top hop. First, you take your two fingers, your pointer finger and your middle finger, you put them on the roof or the lid of the Zippo. Okay, take your thumb, you put it right on the middle, right on the word Zippo, and you squeeze. It's like you're snapping your fingers. You go like this, just like that. You have to have pretty good grip on it, or it'll go flying out of your hands. But yeah, anyway, after it's open, just light it. Stupid thing won't light. There we go. Well, it's a pretty easy trick. It's really easy to do. It does do a number on your lid, but this one, I've had this one for a year or two. The lid, it seems okay. There's no sideways play or anything like that. It's got a little bit of sideways play. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so whatever. Just, it's really easy. If you learn how to do it, it's actually pretty fun. Just hope that your lid doesn't go flying off across the room or something. Whack your mom, your dad, your little brother, little sister in the face or something, okay? Well, have fun.